Magnetize your sales. Gain up to 8 referral partners in just 6 weeks. Yes, it is possible for you with the right system, with the right formula, with the right activities. So if you're struggling with getting to a real estate agent meeting or converting the meeting, or maybe sometimes worst of all, you're not able to add any value. You don't know what value to provide. So the follow-up falls off. You're not following up because it feels like you're pushing, pressuring, pleading, you're groveling at the feet of the real estate agent. Well, it doesn't have to be that way for you. But listen, it's not your fault because you've never been taught. It's just follow up until your fingers bleed and just ask for business. Well, yeah, you're going to get some sales from that. But what if there's a way that didn't make you feel sleazy and bad and slimy and groveling at the feet of the real estate agent? Well, we're going to talk about that today. And so 3 key points we're going to talk about here. Key to getting realtors to opt in. Number 2, how to attract high-level partnerships, not the ones that just want to get coffee for some free cup of coffee. And number 3 value adds that will have your real estate agents just salivating get their hands on. So I'm going to talk about that today, and here we go. So we talk about magnetizing, and what does that mean? So we're going to talk about this lead magnet. Now, what is a lead magnet? A lead magnet is again, that's part of magnetizing your sales, because you have something of value that people want to get their hands on. Now, there's some key points we're going to talk about here. But number one thing, and we have, for example, in our courses, is real estate agent playbooks. And these are not talking about FHA mortgages and boring crap. So if you're going there and you're always doing these presentations that are like FHA mortgage this and, down payment assistance this, and, listen, at the end of the day, real estate agents don't really want to hear about that. They say they want to hear about it, and it may be cool for like a minute conversation tops, but guess what? Every other lender in the world is pretty much going to have those. You're not going to separate yourself there. Now, you can a little bit if you know how to have the conversation correctly and present it correctly. However, we can go into that later. But having real estate agent playbooks, for example, that are sales and marketing related, that actually helping them grow their business, especially in this crazy market, could be a huge value add. Swipe files, so something that's a swipe file. So we're talking about different ways that you can try to, again, not just with us, but you can try to do things that are valuable. So when you call, you have a value, you're talking about the value, and then along the way, referrals just come along for the ride. A lot of times you're not really having to ask for it. They just kind of come flowing to you because you're attracting the right type of relationships. You're adding value. Reciprocity is in full swing. So swipe files, having something that they can just swipe and take and start growing their business. Maybe it's a swipe file email. Maybe it's a swipe file presentation, something swipe file. DFY, sales and marketing materials. This is something that you can teach, and also, maybe they can hack and take and use themselves. A lot of times you can teach these classes, high-level sales and marketing classes, that you can go out there and absolutely help others grow their business. So maybe you're talking about a DM flow with Instagram, for example. We teach that. There's all these other things we teach, but like thinking about it in a way that's going to help your real estate agent grow their business in sales and marketing. Because listen, you're a lender, but also giving these high-level strategies and knowing that you're coming with certainty, because you're not just someone that just is holding their hand out wanting business. But hey, listen, I'm a strategic partnership, which is what you should be thinking to yourself as, can I be a strategic partnership? Together, can we be a strategic partnership to grow our business? I hear a lot of crap out there right now that's like, okay, well, you got to be way more valuable to real estate agents, and they're just like, like they need you way more than you're going to need them. Well, I think that thing can be a little misleading, and the fact is, it seems still confrontational, right? So right now it may seem confrontational, like, oh man, I can't get the business. And then, somebody comes along and is like, be really confrontational. In fact, like, they need you more than you need them if you're really doing the right things. Well, no, it's a strategic partnership. Together, combined, you're going to conquer the world, and it's not one against the other. That's a key point here. And then key is marketing strategies. Marketing strategies to get your real estate agents to opt in to your communication and want more. That is going to be required that you have. You can write influentially and get people to want to opt in. That's something. All these things, all these strategies we teach at a high level. Swipe files, done for use, email templates, email copies, email text campaigns. All these things, Realtor playbooks, like I said, you can hand to real estate agents, make appointments with, swipe files you can take and just grow. And people are like, holy crap, I've never thought about that. Real estate agents are getting all these value adds, DFYs, all these things. But it also is required that you're going to have a strategy to be able to sell in print. And that means by DM, that means on text message, that means on email. And of course, it transfers into your conversation, the way you sell as well. So if you're having issues, by the way, with just that sales conversation, a lot of times it can start with putting it in print, putting on email, putting in text, because all of a sudden you continue to get better and your messaging more defined, and people are attracted to you, wanting to have you as a strategic partnership, which is what you are. You're awesome. So you need help, go to hirescoaching.com and get your strategy call today. We only accept those that are coachable, decisive, and positive in their process. But if you are, and you're somebody that wants to coach and you want to exponentially grow your business now, like so many others have, the 0 to 8 referral partners in 6 weeks. Holly's done that. Trevor is just came in a program, 0 loans in 6 months, and all of a sudden he's just blowing up business. 7 new referral partners, 25 new referrals in just 6 weeks. He did that, and specifically the last 4 weeks he's got those referrals, and it continues to grow. And we got Jamie, we got just on and on and on. Connor, just all these clients that are continuing to grow and quadruple, 4x their business, even ones that are 19-year-old veterans. So if you're a veteran as well, this is for you. We're going to teach you how to sell the market and be different in this market, which is required because your agents need certainty. The high-level agents really need certainty of, hey, I got a partner that's strategic partner that's going to last, that's going to do the things required to grow together in this crazy market. So we'll see you here soon. Get your lead magnets together. If you have problems with that, guess what? We got your help. We got it all in store for you. Coach you to the perfect meeting, everything else. But we will see you soon. Have a great day.